How to log in to your PHH mortgage account. Now in order to log in to PHH mortgage, you just simply need to open any of the browser and search for PHH mortgage in there. And after that, you will get to see this link of onitymortgage.com. Just simply open that, and after opening this page, you will get to see a bunch of options. You just simply need to tap into these three bars from the top right corner. After tapping in there, you will get to see the option of login. Tap to login button, and after tapping to the login button, you will get to see this new page. Then you get to see a completely new page where you just simply need to enter all of the login credentials such as user ID, username, mail or password, and after entering all those details related to your account, you will successfully be logged in to your PHS mortgage account. And like this, you can very easily complete the login process. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.